I'm Amy, the Assistant Manager for Retail and Guest Services, and we've pulled some more product to show you. Today we've pulled some plants and seeds that we're having in the store. So these are some kits right here. They come in this cute little egg carton, and in it you get your seed packs, your little dirt squares, and then you can grow your seedlings right here in this egg carton. This is a great kit for kids, something you can do with your young kids with them, or you can give it to your older kids to do all by themselves. Then we also have these great cans that are full of different seeds. This one is specifically wildflowers. So it comes with your bag of wildflower seeds inside, shows you how to plant it. Wildflowers are great for attracting bees, and you may think, I don't want bees around, but really you do. Bees pollinate everything, and right now we've got all this pollen everywhere, and it's beautiful, and we need to give the bees something to feed on. We also have these really cool ones that come with sunflowers and then also different types of trees. So you can plant a white bark pine tree, but then there's also this beautiful dogwood tree. Right here in this can, you can plant it. The last product I have for you today are these organic grow kits. So we've got some flowers, this beautiful poppies, and then some rosemary and some basil down here. And the really cool thing with these is you plant them right here in the bag. Like you dig your hole, and this bag is biodegradable and it's all organic. And so it makes it super easy for those of you who may not have the greenest thumb. All of these kits make it really easy for you to be able to plant and grow things right there in your own backyard. So we can't wait to show you even more, and for you to get your hands on these grow kits opening June 7th.